Hello and welcome to our special coverage of the recent developments in Bihar's political landscape. Today, we bring you the highlights from the launch of the Parivartan Patra manifesto by former Bihar Deputy Chief Minister and Rashtriya Janata Dal RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav ahead of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Tejasvi Yadav during the manifesto launch emphasized the RJD's commitment to fulfilling the 24 promises outlined in the Parivartan Patra. He underscored that these promises are aimed at addressing crucial development issues and enhancing the welfare of the people in Bihar. Yadav articulated the party's vision, stating, "When RJD says something, it also fulfills it by doing it." He outlined significant pledges, including the provision of government jobs to 1 crore youths across the country if the India bloc led by RJD comes to power.
अगर हमारी इंडिया अलायंस की सरकार बनेगी तो देश भर में 1 करोड़ नौजवानों को नौकरी, सरकारी नौकरी हम लोग देने का काम करेंगे। 1 करोड़ नौकरी पूरे देश में। पूरे देश में 30 लाख नौकरियां जो है रिक्त पड़ी है, उसको तो भरेंगे ही भरेंगे, लेकिन 70 लाख नौकरी का जो है पदों का हम लोग सृजन करेंगे। आप लोग जानते हैं नौकरी, बेरोजगारी सबसे बड़ा हम लोगों का दुश्मन है। आज भाजपा के लोग इस पे कोई चर्चा नहीं करते। 2 करोड़ हर साल उन्होंने नौकरी का वादा किया था, लेकिन हम लोग सच्चे लोग हैं, जो कहते हैं वो करके दिखाते हैं। तो पूरे देश भर में 1 करोड़ लोगों को हम लोग जो है सरकारी नौकरी देने का काम करेंगे।
Moreover, he assured the implementation of the old pension scheme, which is also called OPS, and the grant of special status to Bihar.
पुरानी पेंशन योजना OPS को हम लोग लागू करेंगे और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बिहार को विशेष राज्य का दर्जा हम लोग दिलाएंगे। बिहार को विशेष राज्य का दर्जा दिलाएंगे।
Highlighting the urgency of tackling unemployment, Yadav announced plans to initiate the process of job creation from August 15. Additionally, he pledged financial assistance to poor women with the promise of rupees 1 lakh every year from Raksha Bandhan onwards. The manifesto also includes commitments such as providing gas cylinders at affordable rates and offering 200 units of free electricity. Another noteworthy aspect of the manifesto is the proposal of construct 5 new airports in Bihar, aimed at enhancing connectivity and promoting economic growth in the state. Yadav emphasized the importance of these initiatives in addressing the pressing need of Bihar's populace and fostering overall development. The 24 promises outlined in the RJD's manifesto encompasses a wide range of issues, including job creation, welfare measures for women, and infrastructure development. These pledges reflect the party's determination to address the concerns of the people and propel Bihar towards progress and prosperity. However, the political landscape in Bihar is fraught with challenges. As parties gear up for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, the state, comprising 40 parliamentary constituencies, will witness polling across 7 phases. In the previous election, the NDA secured a resounding victory, winning 39 out of 40 seats. The Mahagathbandhan, led by RJD, managed to secure only 1 seat. With the state high and competition intense, parties are leaving no stone unturned to woo voters and secure electoral success. As the political landscape unfolds in Bihar, stay tuned for further updates and analysis on the evolving dynamics of the electoral battle. We will continue to bring you all the comprehensive coverage, providing insights into the key players, issues and development shaping Bihar's political landscape. That's all for now. Thank you for joining in.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.